What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. Hope you're well. We're gonna go over BTC. We're exploding right up to our target. We're sitting at 56.9, up 8.2 on the day. See a market cap of 1,118 billion. 24 volume, 54 billion. Also, throw some of the trades we're up in on the screen in the Discord. I give signals, $10 a month. You really can't beat it. Over 2,600 members. Sign up to the Patreon link. All right, let's get into the analysis. Enough with the plug. So we pushed right up to our target that I gave in the Discord. Once we broke that bullish level, I said, look, guys, we're likely going to push up to 57.3K. It's right now at 57.6, but right around 57.3. And we hit that target perfectly. Now, of course, we can just explode to the upside, but we're only about 12K off from the previous all-time high, which is absolutely incredible. Everybody right here said we're going to 10K. Everybody right here said we're going back to 15K. But Jack said, no, no, no. It's just going to be a pullback, and then we're going to push higher. I'm not always right, but when I am, I need to be more humble. So that's what we're looking at. Honestly, I would expect pullback before the all-time high. It would make sense because everyone's FOMOing in right now. Everyone doesn't want to miss the boat, and that's usually when the whales take advantage. So we have major resistance in between 57.2, 59.7K, as you can see right here, and would make sense to see some pullback. So if we look at our wave count, basically what we're doing zoomed out is completing a wave 3. It's going to be a little bit messy, but I'll try to clarify things as well as possible. So what you have here is a 1-2 setup, and now you're pushing up in a wave 3, and all this mumbo jumbo numbers here are all the wave counts within that larger wave 3, which is right here in white. So as of right now, we're completing that wave 3, and then we'll pull back in the wave 4. So if you take a fib retracement from, let me remove this fib. Hope the pets are healthy. Hope you're working towards all your goals and aspirations, as I think that's very important. So we take a fib retracement from the bottom of 2. Let's say this were to be the top of 3. Were to be the top of 3, just as an example, then your wave 4 pullback would be in between the 23.6 at 48K, but it can come all the way down to the 50%, which would take you all the way down to 38.7K, and that's when all of the bears would sing that we're going to drop down and create a new bear market low, as they've been doing for the last 6 months. Yeah, I don't think that's likely at all. I think we'll bounce off 48.8, potentially 43.2, and worst case scenario 38.7. If we pull back from here, we can push higher first. That's what I'm looking at for BTC. We are absolutely crushing it. Oh, let me show you guys the DXY. So the DXY, we're looking for a way to pull back. We didn't quite reach the target, but the minimum target is the 38.2, and we have a nice long wick. So if the DXY were to break out from here, then Bitcoin should come down. We'll have to see how that plays out. I'll throw the trades up on the screen. We're in multiple trades that are in profit. We recently locked in some juicy gains. Let me scroll up quickly here. On where's our vet trade? Yeah, our vet trade is doing really well. Where our soul trade is flying into profits. Yeah, TP1, we're up 44% on Gala. We're in multiple trades, guys. It's $10. Not only that, but I'm trading Forex every single day. So you get my daily crypto analysis, my exact crypto trade setups, crypto news, member profits, Forex daily analysis, Forex signals, multiple Forex signals every single day. It's $10, guys. Can you imagine? I would give it away for $10. I don't actually need the money. I just need to keep scammers out of my VIP rooms, and I want to help people reach financial freedom. That's why I only charge $10. All links down below. Go check them out. Smash up that like button. Sign up to BITUNIX. That's where I do the majority of my trading on BITUNIX. No KYC, no VPN. It's going to take time to load up here. Highly recommended for my US and Canadian traders as they're being shafted by exchanges. My subscribers only get a 10% rebate on their trading fees with my link down below. Go sign up, check it out. Much love. Smash the like button. Take care. All right.